Do you know she's Bisaya ito lang? Miss Dinah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because he said
Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Friday! Drop na natin ang ating baby girl sa school guys. Kasi Friday, meron siyang hindi today.
I don't like to lazy.
And I'm gonna say good morning. Say good morning everyone. They're all.
Good morning, everyone.
Where are you going?
School.
School.
I saw a big flower.
Let's pray enough eh.
I saw a big flower.
Yeah, I know. Beautiful flowers. Kasi mami nyo guys, ay meron ding appointment after nating i-drop si baby Celine. So here's our outfit for today's video. So ano tayo guys, denim na mini skirt, tapos white lang na shirt, my favorite Oasis sandals, my super cute, di magkasya dyan guys, talagang handbag lang ito. Ganyan. So diretso na tayo pag-drop natin. Come na! Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Uy! Gumamela! Wait! This way, anak wala. Did you pick flowers?
There's just.
Ala, kasabaan giganiya. Come na, let's go. Show me, babe. Come on, let's go.
Say, do they like red? Do you like red color or pink color?
Okay.
And they will say their color that they like.
Okay. So you're gonna give it to Miss Dinah?
Miss Dinah or Miss Dinah or Miss Kara?
That's very kind of you. Yung teacher ni Baby Celine, guys, isa doon si Miss Dinah. She is Filipino. Do you know she's Bisaya ito lang? Miss Dinah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because he said
buangan ni mo na ko eh. Come here. What does she say? Uy, lagubo. Ay. Yeah, you should tell her gihigugmat ka.
No.
What's the Bisaya of I love you again?
Gihigugmat. Ouch.
You give it to her and you say, Miss Dinah, gihigugmat ka, and you give her the flower.
No.
Nakarating na tayo dito sa ating appointment, guys. So, ayan. We're actually 5 minutes late. Oh my God, ang hirap ng parkingan sa baba. So, yeah. So we're getting our lashes done today. And, ayan. So, ilalagay ko yung Instagram handle niya sa ating screen, guys, kung saan tayo nagpapagawa ng ating lashes. So, ayan. Sa aking mga lashes girlies dyan, sa Brisbane, oh, alam na. Alam niyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. Anyways, I'll see you later, guys.
Hi guys, I'm at Jiu-Jitsu now. And I'm so excited.
Go na, Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, let's
See you
go.
guys after or before.
Say bye.
Bye. Child lock.
Oh no. Daddy. Bob. Yeah. Open the door for Paris, please. Ay, bungol may gani lang. Naka-child lock ah.
There's a lot of Karens there.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Come. Yeah.
Time check, guys. It's 3:55 ng hapon. Ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog si mami niyo. Kanina, pagkatapos ng ating lashes, hindi ako nakapag-vlog agad-agad. Kasi, I received a call from UPS, yung courier, guys, na meron tayong box na dumating from overseas, yung mga stock natin. So, si mami niyo ay agad-agad na nag-drive at hindi na nag-vlog. So, na-pick up ko na rin yung box, na-drop ko na sa bahay, and then, alam niyo na, at 4 o'clock, Ate Paris's jiu-jitsu. So, diretso na kami dito. So, ngayon lang tayo nagka-chance ulit. So, lashes check. Ayan. So, maganda na naman ang ating lashes, guys. I'm so excited na i-unbox yung parcel natin mamaya. Oh my God! Marami na naman tayong mga magagandang goodies na maibibenta. Actually, meron ako i-share sa inyo kasi the other day, meron tayong natanggap na comment. Actually, baka si Madam ay nag-watch ng video na to din. Thank you for your comment, Madam. And I already replied to her sa comment section. Tinatanong niya kung paano ko daw na-afford na magpa-lashes, na magpa-hair, and mga branded na mga clothes, mga ganun. So, nung nabasa ko yung comment niya, guys, like, straight away, kasi hindi ako negatibong tao, kasi yung pag-iisip ko ba hindi negative towards others. So, para sa akin, genuine yung yung tanong ni Madam. But then, straight away, reply, at sabi doon na, sabi niya, credit cards or utang, ganun yung, pag-reply niya. So, parang mag-reply ako dito. So, in case din naman na merong mga curious din dyan, kung ano kaya ginagawa niya, ganito, ganyan, bakit ganito, palagi siyang ganito, ganyan. So, dito, ko rin sa inyo, guys, isi-share ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung nireply ko sa kanya, just in case, meron din sa inyong gustong magtanong, pero hindi lang talaga nagko-comment. O, diba? O, ito na ang sagot. Hindi na kailangan mag-comment. Ito na ang sagot. So, yun na nga sabi ko, guys. So, first yung tanong niya is, paano ko na na-afford yung mga branded mga damit? Kasi even daw pre-owned na mga branded, still mahal. And, I replied to her na, I think, marami na sa inyo naman ang nakakaalam, guys. Kasi, pinapakita ko naman dito sa vlog natin. Minsan nga yung iba, hindi lang alam kasi hindi talaga nagwa-watch ng vlog natin. But sa inyo talaga na, yung mga loyal subscribers talaga natin na nanonood ng bawat videos natin, kayo yung mas nakakaalam. So, aware na kayong lahat na ito yung ginagawa ko. So, I buy and sell pre-loved clothing, handbags, shoes, accessories, etc. And I source them online here in Australia, minsan, or mostly talaga from overseas, Japan, South Korea. The perks of being a seller is that, katulad nito, nakatanggap tayo ng box, mamaya i-open ko, makakakita tayo ng mga, alam niyo, mga magaganda na bet natin, diba? Okay, I'll keep this one and see kung magugustuhan ko ba siya pag sinuot ko na siya, or if not, I can always sell it. Yeah. So, yun yung nangyayari, guys. And also, because I buy from very good sellers, may mga contact na tayong mga suppliers, ay nakukuha natin sa, hindi talaga yung presyong nakikita nyo sa market, diba? Kasi, pag pumunta kayo online, nag-check kayo, check nyo yung eBay, or check nyo yung Vestiaire Collective, or ano pa bang iba? Real, yung mga ganun. Ay, sobrang mahal na talaga, guys. Kasi, may iba talaga na nagbebenta dyan ng mga resellers din. Kaya, kailangan talagang pumatong, diba? Kasi, what is business kung walang profit, diba? Anyways, so yung mga damit ko na mga ganito, nakuha ko yan siya sa, very good price, like very good deal. Kaya, sometimes, I'm happy to just keep them for myself. Kasi, why not reward myself, diba? Yun yung dahilan kung bakit meron akong maraming branded na mga damit. Kasi, yun yung trabaho ko. Yun yung business ni mami niyo. Kasi, alam niyo naman, guys, I'm a full-time mom, and this is my side hustle. Like, apart from being a full-time mom, I also sell. Online seller. Not just online seller, kasi alam niyo naman, kapag Sunday, ganyan, I go to these places kung saan nagbebenta ng mga fashion, clothing, mga ganyan. So, this is my passion talaga, guys. Ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin ever since. And regarding the lashes and hair, yung mga ganyan, I treat myself as the brand. Sa fashion industry, kung yung binebenta mo ay mga, alam mo yung mga damit, mga shoes, mga fashion yung mga ganun, ay kailangan mo ring magmukhang presentable, diba? So, I go to the shops on the weekends, yung mga ganun, alam nyo yun. And I think it helps with your sales na, alam mo yung makikita ka nila na, oh, she looks nice, she looks presentable, ganyan. Her hair is nice, her nails is nice, yung mga ganun-ganun. Nakakatulong yun para makabenta ka. Believe it or not, for me, I feel like it works. Minsan, before sila tumingin sa mga paninda mo, ikaw muna yung makikita nila eh, diba? So you have to create that, you know, like first impression na, you know, you're selling something nice and beautiful pieces, yung mga ganun. And it's not about being high maintenance. It's about taking care of yourself. Like, kung hindi mo i-care yung self mo, sino ang gagawa for you? So I'm very blessed, I'm very grateful that I'm able to do it for myself, and the fact that I don't ask anyone for it. Parang pinagpapaguran ko talaga, alam niyo yan guys, pinagpapaguran ko yan. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, wala nang libre, kailangan mo talagang kumayod. So, I'm happy that I work for myself, and yung passion ko talaga yung trabaho ko. Kasi, alam mo kapag passion mo talaga yung job mo, you don't feel really tired. In fact, ako pag may gagawin ako or pag may natanggap tayong box, we have to clean the bags and clean the clothing and all that. Steam them, iron, tapos pictures, list it online, yung mga ganun, post it, go to the post office and all. Nai-excite ako. Like, I don't feel like, oh my God, I need to do this again. Sobrang nai-excite ako guys kasi ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. And you know what? I can't see myself working for someone else again. I don't think I can do the 9 to 5 job after like what I'm doing now. Kasi I own my time. Like, hindi ko kailangan, oh my God, magising ako ng ganitong oras, i-ready yung mga kids, punta ako ng work. Like, I can do it sa time ko. Like, walang magpupush sa akin na, oh, meron, nagawa mo na ba yung na yun? Or kailangan mo nang ipasa yung na yun? Yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Kasi I do it on my own time. Like, I am with my kids. Andyan ako sa breakfast nila. Drop ko yung mga kids. When I get home, I do my thing. And if I feel like, oh, okay, you know, I want to get my nails done, I can do it as long as feel ko na, oh, meron tayong especially kapag may mga nabenta tayong medyo malaki-laki yung profit, yung mga ganon, kailangan i-treat mo rin yung self mo, di ba? So, mahaba na ba yung explanation ko? Ba, yun lang talaga guys. Yeah, na-afford ko siya kasi I work hard for it. This is my bread and butter. Kaya, I have to take it seriously.
Oh, so you are a baby now. So you are a baby?
What's that? I can smell it, eh?
Perfume.
Oh, Nak, that's very strong, anak.
I'm just gonna eat.
Oh, show them.
Picky.
Who gave that to you?
Sarah.
What did you have for lunch? What did you have for lunch?
Some pasta?
Pasta? Plain one?
Yeah.
Oh, you silly.
Plain one is the white one.
Yeah. You didn't get the sauce?
Yeah, because I don't like the sauce one.
Oh my goodness, you silly girl. Andito kami sa harapan ng grocery store, guys. Woolies. Bumaba muna si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mami niya. Bili ng water, bili kang tubig, and something for dinner tonight.
Love you, Twinkle.
I actually have to do my packing tonight.
Yeah,
kasi magbebenta si mami niyo ngayong Sunday. And tomorrow, Saturday, meron kaming pupuntahang birthday party ng friend ni Ate Paris. So I won't have time tomorrow para mag-pack. So kailangan, pagka-uwi, ay mag-pack agad si mami niyo. Kasi the last weekend, alam niyo ba nagbenta ako guys Saturday and Sunday? At sa gabi 2 hours lang yung tulog ko. Oh my God. Grabe.
No, don't call it. Well, I call it Celine. No, so when you just
Kaya
fold
this
paper,
time, me,
put
I'll
onto
try not to
two.
do the
Yes.
same mistake.
This is for Daddy's gym.
Huh?
This is Daddy's gym.
We're having something easy tonight, guys. Bumili si Daddy Mike ng first pork going cracked. Oh, hindi ko pala na-mention sa inyo, guys. No. Kahapon dumating yung mama ni Daddy Mike. Narinig niyo siya? Nandito siya kasi school holiday na ni Ate Paris. Last day niya today sa school. So, she'll be off for school 2 weeks. Kaya nandito yung kanyang
Yeah, you can have a chat with Jovi and Michael on Sunday when I call you, okay? I will. Okay. Bye, Mum. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye, Mum. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
She right now?
Yeah, good. Yeah. She gets lonely.
Yummy. Sure.
Come on.
Sample.
Huh?
Stop it. Louis boy! It's not for you!
Okay, Louis. Come on, Desperado.
Desperado.
Lois Mackenzie.
So, nandito yung mama ni Daddy Mike for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, eh?
2 weeks? What?
Ma'am?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Parang kailan lang nandito siya, Ito, holidays din yun. Ni Ate Paris. Hindi tayo nag-vlog kahapon eh. Hindi ko alam mo kala. Anong last vlog natin? Tuesday. After nitong dinner natin, mag-unbox kami ni Daddy Mike. Ito sa inyo. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, anyan na ang pangyayari dito sa bahay namin. Ayan. Kasi ang hirap kumita ng pera, diba? So, kailangan talagang work hard. So, ayan, mga paninda yan ni mama nyo guys. Ayan. And then, yung dumating natin na box, ganyan kalaki. So, unbox natin yan mamaya. Ayan. This one, kailangan kong mag-pictorial.
Vegetables and lentil bolognese. So just get some spaghetti. You see what that's like. You never know. Might be alright.
Oi!
I want to try to eat not so much meat all the time.
Carrots,
And I've got
corn,
some
and peas.
tofu miso soup.
Oh, I love that one.
Yeah, same. It's good to have for breakfast, like in the morning.
You just add water, yeah? Hot water?
Oh.
Have one in the morning.
Oh, thank you, Mum. Miso soup.
These ones are nice. They're a bit more expensive, but they're better quality. And there's a nice
Where's
one.
that from? Woolies? Did you bring that with you?
Yeah,
Oh.
I did because I thought, oh, that'd be nice, like just some mornings to have,
Yeah.
instead of coffee all the time.
Yeah.
Coles, I think, maybe, and they are a bit more expensive than the other ones.
Have it.
I can't have my hands so oily.
I'm gonna eat some
Oily.
pears tomorrow.